Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faradila Hanum. I'm from Chemistry A, and this video I will talk about wastewater treatment and industrial wastewater treatment plant. More than 80% of the world wastewater flows back into the environment without being treated or reset. According to the United Nations, in some developed countries, the figure is as high as 95%. Sewage treatment facilities can reduce the amount of pollutants such as pathogens, phosphorus, and nitrogens in effluents, as well as heavy metals and chemicals in industrial effluents before dumping the treated air back into the airways. That's when everything went well. There are several ways to prevent water contamination. The first, reduce to the use of plastic and recycle use plastic, organize the dispose of residual chemical cleaning fluids, oils, and materials that are difficult to decompose. Take care of the care so that the oil does not leak or freeze easily. Avoid the use of pesticides and herbicides. If you keep animals, make sure the droppings don't pollute the environment. Household wastewater. Domestic or household wastewater is liquid waste from housing or household, commercial built office, and similar facilities. Examples of domestic liquid waste are detergent water, soapy water, and facial water. Indiscriminate disposal of household waste can have a negative impact on the health or the surrounding community. Several diseases that can be caused by this waste, namely deer hill disease, typhoid, cholera, fungal disease, and intestinal worms. Industrial water. Industrial wastewater, namely industrial waste. Example are the rest of the dyeing of fabric or materials from the textile industry, water from the food processing industry, the rest of washing meat, fruit, or vegetables. Industrial wastewater most often cause environment problems such as fish mortality, poisoning to humans and livestock, plankton deaths, accumulation in fish and mollusks meat, especially if the liquid waste contains toxic substances such as ES, CN, CR, and CD. Wastewater treatment. The water we enjoy is inherent water because our earth is one. The point is that the water we have today is the same as the water in the days of our ancestors. Therefore, we must be able to maintain the state of the water in our earth. Therefore, an understanding of wastewater treatment is needed. Aeration. Aeration is pumping air in water, which aims to speed up the process of flowing water. This air pumping changes organic and inorganic components. Inorganic components from oxides, while organic components change their aeration so that they are decomposed by microbes. Wastewater treatment process. Stage 1, coarse sewage filtering to not to clog the pipes. The second balance tank serves to balance the composition and volume of wastewater so that the treatment can be carried out uniformly. That still gives aeration so that it comes into contact with the air. The next give microbes. As a bioreactor can break down organic solids and reducing nutrient levels. Giving microbes has many advantages, namely the price is cheaper than chemical reagents. Microbes continue to multiply and feed on the nucleons in the wastewater. If the water content has a large concentration of waste, then chemical substance or reagents from must be used because microbes are not able to withstand heavy and concentration weights. Usually, inorganic substance will be used in the which describes because microbes prefer inorganic substance. And the next clarifier tank is rotating device from stirring weights to produce sediment. Then the sediment is taken and dried and turned over to does not rot the dry materials mud non-contains P3 and if possible it will be compost. Precipitation, the water is clear and has been disinfected if the disinfection is given at the beginning that the microbes will die. Test can tilapia and geese live in treated wastewater. Industrial wastewater treatment plant. Stage of liquid wastewater. The first in water inlet. Water enters the treatment process. Of all the production process, usually in the initial process is it distinguished which one comes from household waste or industrial waste. The difference is due to different processing methods. Filtration. For large sites which so as not to interfere with the next stage, usually it is solid waste. Equalization or balancing pool. It is balancing the volume and character of the weight, namely the composition of the weight, so that it uniform. That what enters the equalization pond to accommodate the excessive amount of weight because each production volume is different, sometimes combined with a uniform pool. Cooling pool, just let it cool down. And biological aeration pond. Add microbes or decompose. Aeration is contacting with water with oxygen from easy decomposition. In this pond also utilize sunlight to facilitate decomposition, which from inorganic compounds will be decomposed by microbes while organic compounds undergo precipitation. Clarifier. Spirited between solids and liquids, the tool is conical at the bottom. This will collect reusable salts in the aeration pond. However, only a small part of the salts can be reused in the aeration pond because it is microbial seed. Sedimentation pond. In this process, more weight will be deposited between solids and liquid. Sand filter. This process is done when the water has started to clear. In the sand filter process is usually absorption, replacement of ions, unfavorable which will be bound by sand and iron substitution will occur. Lagoon and our control. Usually, it is a large pond that is given by tilapia as an experimental indicator to test whether our water is suitable or not. And the last, water meter. In this process, the water sugar industry is analyzed whether can be the character is visible or can be described. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.